Hello and welcome. Today, we will guide you through the process of connecting the Trikdis SK-LCD and SK-LED keypads to the FLEXi SP3 security control panel. Although we will demonstrate using the LCD version, the connection process is exactly the same for the LED version. These keypads are designed for easy and secure control of your security system. The SK-LCD model features a screen that displays system status, while the SK-LED version uses indicator lights to show different states. Both versions offer reliable performance and integrate seamlessly with the FLEXi SP3 panel. Now, let's get the keypad connected. On the back, you'll find 4 main terminals. +E, this is the power input. GND, the ground connection. GRN, the green wire, used for data communication. YEL, the yellow wire, also for data communication. Since GRN stands for green and YEL stands for yellow, it's important to match the correct wires to the right terminals to ensure proper operation. Next, we'll connect the other ends of these wires to the FLEXi SP3 control panel. The +E terminal from the keypad goes to +AUX on the panel, which supplies power. The GND terminal connects to -AUX on the panel. The GRN terminal on the keypad should be connected to GRN on the panel. And finally, the YEL terminal connects to YEL on the panel. Once everything is properly wired, take a moment to double-check your connections. Now that everything is in place, it's time to power the system back on. As soon as you restore power to the FLEXi SP3 control panel, the keypad will turn on and start working immediately. No additional programming is required. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.